Good afternoon guys, welcome to my vlog. Tara, cooking na naman tayo dito guys ng eggplant with egg only, frying. So, this is menu for tonight, eggplant. Fried eggplant. Yummy. And only like this guys. See? Easy to fry rice. Okay. Like this only guys. Simple only like this guys. Yeah. Easy guys. Yummy. Only like that. Guys, ready to fry. Yummy. Ayan, frying eggplant. Very nice, delicious. Yummy, yummy. Dahil sa maulan na hapon, fry. Ay tayo ng eggplant. So, 8 pieces only guys. Yummy. Simple only this one guys. For ano? Until tomorrow morning for breakfast, I eat this one. So, today I feel sick. That's why I cook this one. Easy guys. Guys, yummy. Don't lose your way with each passing day. You come so far, don't turn it away. Dreams are for living one. There's a waiting for storm. Ayan guys. 3 pieces is ready to fry na siya guys. Yan. Ready to fry na siya guys. Yeah. Yummy na siya, guys. Ayan na siya, oh. Yummy eggplant. Yeah. Yummy, yummy. Delicious. Sometimes, oh, I fry this one with egg. Then, you want the sausawan alamang, bagoong isda. Okay. But me, I want to ketchup. I have so mini KFC ketchup. Yeah. You want like this? Okay. To share. And after that, I eat. Yum. Ayan guys. Ready to fry na siya guys. Yeah. I want to crispy. So, I have leftover rice. Initin na lang siya, guys. Huwag na tayong mag-saing para tipid guys. Reheat only, guys. Reheat. Because I put in the fridge. Yummy, yummy na siya, guys. See, yummy na, guys, oh. Yay! Yum, yum, yum. Simple tayo guys na fry eggplant. So, delicious guys. Yeah. Yummy, yummy. Nice. Yan. Ana pagulera. Yay! Ano na siya, guys? Yan, ipagsabay na natin yung tatlo. Yan, yummy. Thank you for watching, guys. Simple lang tayo ngayon. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. Good afternoon, everyone. And good afternoon, Malaysia ko. Good afternoon, Philippines. Coming to 6 o'clock, so malapit na yung evening. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.